Sir, baka makatulong ka sa amin ni Mrs. Planning to buy a car between Vios mid-variant and Wigo top of the line. Tara, pag-usapan natin. So for those of you who have been solid on the channel, you know that we had a similar situation in our story. We were going for Wigo top of the line before, and then we got offered with Vios mid-variant. So you also know that we went for the Toyota Vios. So I'll actually agree with you here. You're gonna get better fuel consumption with the Toyota Wigo and I think more features. But sinabi mo dito yung wife mo mas gusto yung Vios. And what you're gonna be getting with Vios naman is bigger space, bigger car, better engine, more powerful engine. And in terms of features, I believe hindi na masyadong lamang si Wigo G kumpara kay Vios XLE. And I need to point out as well that unfortunately may stigma dito sa Pilipinas na palakihan talaga ng kotse. And I believe you shouldn't care about that. So it's just really about what do you prioritize. So yan, hirap niyan. Makinig ka sa Mrs.